Hey guys, this is Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over how to install our dual sport kit on a KTM electric Freeride. We're going to come over to the bench. I'm going to show you the components. So in the back, to get the power for your turn signal harness, you're going to tee these two connectors where your stock tail light plugs into the bike's OEM harness. So unplug your tail light, plug that in a series there. Now these right here are going to run back for your back turn signals, and then this section is going to run to the front. So these are your front turn signal connectors. This is for your LED flasher relay, and this is for the lower part of the Euro switch that's going to go on the bike. Now a note here, red wire is your right signal. Same thing on the back, same thing on the front. So the red is the right signal. I just grabbed a couple signals. Obviously your kit's going to come with 4, but these are your turn signals. They're factory KTM plugs. So now we'll jump over to the bike and I'll go over how to install this with you. So you're going to want to remove your battery terminals and your battery and get this battery box kind of loose. It'll slide up and it'll give you access to your taillight plug, which is going to live back here. You're going to need to drop your rear fender, and depending on what turn signals you have, these are flush mounts that are mounted on this bike. You're going to need to drill holes to mount your turn signals, and you're also going to need to drill holes underneath to run your wire up into this channel to plug in your connectors. So those leads on the turn signal harness are going to run to the back to connect to your turn signals. You'll tee in your tail light here, and then there's a spot at the bottom of this battery tray that you can run the wire down and through. Now when you're running the wire, you're going to run it along your frame rail. Remove this, it makes it easier to do it, and secure it with a couple zip ties. There's one behind here and one right here. Now your front harness will come up to the front. Your 2 turn signals, these are the aluminum mini stocks that bolt right in. And then your flasher relay can just get zip tied under your speedo mount here. And then your switch right there is the other connector that I talked about earlier in the video. So just plug these in. Anything that you unplug that's an unsealed connector like this, I do recommend using dielectric grease on. So it just helps them not corrode. So if we step over to the switch on the bike, you can see you just remove the lower portion that came on your switch, which is just a bar clamp, and then you bolt on your new turn signal switch. It's going to come with this forward bolt since it's longer, and then you reuse one of the back bolts from the bottom because it's the same length. After everything's plugged in and put back together, that is how easy it is to install the kit. Everything is plug and play, lifetime warranty on any signals or anything that we manufacture. So thanks for checking it out.